Hey y'all, hey, my name is Denise. Thank you so much for clicking on this video today. And today is Vlogmas day 12. Yes, I have been MIA. I have been recuperating. I just feel like that weekend, Vlogmas day 6 and 7 just took a toll on me. I was pretty exhausted. And yeah, I just been sleeping, eating, and cleaning up, doing chores, and playing with Lucas, giving him my undivided attention. So yeah, and I also entered my second trimester on the 10th of this month. So yeah, I'm excited to be out of my first trimester. So hopefully the sleepies will dissipate just a little bit, because I don't like sleeping as much as I have been, even though some might call me the nap queen, because I love me an adult nap, honey. But yeah, so that was my little update really quick. But I just wanted to share some more of my Black Friday purchases with you all. I have been keeping these unopened for several days now, and my Bath and Body Works candle order finally came in, so I also share that with you. This package is from Macy's, y'all. I ordered so long ago, I don't even remember what I ordered. So we'll be finding out again together. I really suck at opening packages too. Like, I have this knife and I probably shouldn't be using it because it's kind of dangerous for me. Okay, so I ordered some necklaces, and I think I got these necklaces for like $9.50 a piece. I'm sorry, y'all. Yeah. So I got two of the same thing, but I got the first one in gold. There it goes. It's just a little gold sideways cross. I hope you guys can see that pretty well. And I also got the same one in silver. There it goes. Yeah. Because I really don't have that much jewelry by way of necklaces and things like that. I wanted to order some earrings, but I didn't like any of the options for earrings. So this next box is from Express. Okay, so I got some layered necklaces from them. I do like these little dust bags that they come in. You can always reuse them for any old thing. Okay, so I'll take this one out of the pack to show you guys, but here's what it looks like. Ooh, pretty. So, jeez, I have this on. Anyway, maybe I'll wear it in a video, and I'll let you guys know that this is my Express necklace. But isn't it pretty? It's gonna fit more so like a choker, so it'll probably be like right here on me. But I really like it. It's really pretty. Okay, so that's necklace number 1. Okay. And I got a second necklace. I think this one might lay just a little bit longer than the first necklace I showed you. But there it goes. It's really pretty. Has this little, looks like a frosted cubic zirconia or something like that. But yeah, I think it's really gonna be pretty on me. Don't you think? Maybe I'll try them on later and insert a clip. We'll see. Okay, so that's that. Oh, and I ordered some shades. This is why I was like so anxious to open up that box, because I don't have shades. Y'all have seen me drive and the sun will hit me and I'll just quit recording because I can't drive and talk with the sun blinding me. But they're just like regular old shades. I'm so basic. I don't really like nothing too dramatic on my face. Oh, looking like a bag of money. Oh. Looking like a whole snack. Y'all like them? Do they look good on me? Like, can y'all see? I think they're cute. Like, it look like I'm somebody today, y'all. Ooh. Okay. So, yeah. And they actually fit my face really well because I have a small face or something like that, and like a lot of shades are just too large for my head or whatever, and I just look like I'm wearing readers. Like, they'll be like down here, and I don't like that. So these feel really good on my face. And that's everything from Express. Now this is my first couple of candles. I think I only ordered 7, to be honest with you. Yeah, depending on how long this video is, I might I don't know, y'all. Maybe I'll just go to one store today and call it, because I don't want to hit y'all with these long videos. Okay, so in this box, well, in this crate, they only put 2 candles in there. But I do like the color of the lids. I like that copper gold color. And this candle is leaves. I love the smell of leaves. It always makes me, oh, it smells like cinnamon. Cinnamon and like sweet pralines. It's just so, If leaves smelled like that, I might actually enjoy looking at my leaves in the backyard. But leaves don't smell like that. And I had 'Tis the Season. Oh, that smells like some kind of like the cherry flavored popsicles, the frozen kind, the ice pops. It smells really good. It does smell very seasonal, like this type of weather. Yep. I've never had 'Tis the Season, so I really like that candle. And maybe the other 5 or 4 are in this box. Okay, so I only got 6 candles. There's only 4 in here. And I got Winter Candy Apple. I think everybody has smelled that before. Something's in my eye, sorry y'all. It's really sweet. It smells just like candied apples. It makes the whole house just get so fumigated when I like this one, so I knew I had to pick up another one. Oh no, this one's broken. Jeez. Okay, so I got watermelon lemonade and it is broken, so hopefully I can just take it to the store and get another one, because that is dangerous. Oof. Okay, so anyway, I love watermelon lemonade. Oh my god. This island margarita is broken too. I mean, and when I say it's, I know y'all can't see that, but it is like broken all over. Can y'all see that? It's terribly broken. So there's 2 candles that is broken. Okay, into the night. It smells so good. I have the lotion, and I knew that if the lotion smelled that good on my skin, then the candle just had to be bomb. So yeah, and I do in store actually warm it up with my finger just to make sure I actually like it. It smells so good. It smells like perfume in a candle. Might make you want to reproduce, you know. So yeah, I'll have to be taking the watermelon lemonade and the island margarita back to the store, and hopefully they'll swap it out for me. But yeah, so that was everything. That was the rest of my Black Friday, and my candle. So yeah, I don't know what we'll be getting into for the rest of the day. I might actually end the video here and just come back with a real vlog tomorrow. I don't know, because this video is kind of long as it is. So if I do end it right here, I'm just gonna go ahead and say thank you so much for watching. I'm really sorry that this video went a little longer than I anticipated, and yeah, maybe I'll continue to vlog and just combine it with day 13. I'm not really sure, but thank you so much. I love you guys, and I'll see you later. Bye.